Hi, in this video I'll show you how to fix notifications not showing or notification not working on iPhone after your last iOS update. So if you updated your iPhone and after updating you are not getting any notifications, here's some steps to fix this problem. The first solution is make sure to disable do not disturb mode. So as you can see, currently my iPhone is in do not disturb mode or focus mode. So if your iPhone is in focus mode, then you won't receive any notifications. To off this, open your control center and here tap on focus mode and just disable focus mode from here. And after that, if your iPhone is in silent mode, you have to disable silent mode. So my iPhone has the physical silent button, so I'm going to disabling silent mode. And now you have to increase your ringer volume to get notification sounds. To do that, you can simply press this volume up button to increase ringer volume, or you can go to your iPhone settings app and then tap on sounds and haptics, and here you will find ringtone and alerts. All you have to need increase your ringtone and alert volume from here, and now on you should get notifications in your iPhone. And the next solution is you have to enable notification. So go to your iPhone settings app and now scroll down and just tap on notifications, and here display as select list or stack and choose the default for how notifications appear. Tap on show previews. Here if you select it never, then you won't get any notifications on your iPhone. So here if you have to select always, or you can select when unlocked. So I'm selecting here always, so all of my notifications will be displayed in my iPhone lock screen and also in my iPhone unlock screen. Then go back from here, and now if you're not getting notifications from a specific app, all you have to need in this page, scroll down and just tap on the app and make sure to allow notification for the specific app. Also enable alerts, these three options, and also enable sounds and badges and tap on show previews, and here select always or when unlocked. And now on you should get notifications from the specific app. And now another solution is you have to change your notification sound or ringtone sound. To do that, from your iPhone settings app, scroll down a little bit and just tap on sounds and haptics, and here tap on ringtone, and now from this list you can select a different ringtone for your iPhone, and you can also change a different message notification tone. So go ahead and change tone from here and don't select here none. And after following all of these solutions step by step, hope now on your iPhone will get notifications. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.